In this video we are going to discuss a new product that I bought. This one is a magnetic mosquito net. Let's see what all comes with this. There is a manual that comes with this product, which explains how to actually install this product. All are given here step by step in the images and all. If you have any doubts, you can always come back and refer to this manual. And also at the back there are some tips and tricks also provided, so that the installation is perfectly easy and smooth. This one is made of like premium polyester materials, and anybody can actually install it. You don't need to use any tools or anything like that. Let's see what's inside this plastic box. It comes with it's written that don't throw this bag away. Let's just unzip and see what all are there. As you can see, there are like a small plastic box with some pins are also provided in case if you need some extra layer of thickness, because if the adhesive is not that, sometimes if it's not that strong, you can actually use these pins also as an add-on for that adhesive material. And you have this sticky velcro that comes along with this. As you can see, the other part is sticky. This is the part that is sticky. As you can see, it's really strong, and the quality of the velcro is also really nice. Now we can actually see the actual material. This is really of really high quality, and magnets are also sewed into this material. You can see the holes are really tiny, so that even the smallest mosquitoes won't be able to enter. These are the magnets that will hold the curtain in place. And as you can, this is the Lifekrafts logo also stitched to the product. This is the sticky part of the velcro. It's also stitched onto the material. There are like 28 to 34 strong magnetic strips to ensure that the net is completely sealed and gap free and has the fastest closure. This is durable and tear resistant and high density polymer. Even the paws of your cats or dogs will not hurt it. So these are like the weights. This is actually not the magnet, these are like the weights that's at the bottom. So adjust the closing speed, and this is like a plastic thing, so you can also move it in the position you like. Now let's take a look at the installation of this product. Before you install this product to your door frame, wipe the door frame with a damp cloth to remove any dust or residue, and allow the door frame to dry. Otherwise it will not stick properly to your door frame, so it is a must. And then you have to find the center of your door frame and mark it with a pencil, and lay the net flat on the floor with the velcro side facing up, and attach the sticky velcro against the loop velcro suite along the net. Peel off the white backing from the sticky velcro on the top after you sticked it, and cut off the extra so that you can actually stick it to the all three sides of the door frame. Why I chose this door frame for this net is mainly because there is no like harmful gas or anything like that. If we use coils like mosquito or any chemicals, that will actually harm us. So that's the main reason why I chose this net instead. This will keep the mosquito and small flies away, but naturally, and will also ensure like good ventilation, because these there are like tiny holes throughout this net. This is where we peel off the sticky uh, velcro, and this is the position, like we need to hold it like this and stick it to the main door frame. Just raise it a bit up, like hold and fix the top center of the net to the center mark. The center of the net should be like 5 mm to 10 mm higher than the edges. Ensure that the net is just touching the floor. Fix the rest of the top edges to the frame, then remove the backing and fix velcro down the sides of the frame. Do not stretch the net, okay? And for extra reinforcements, you can also use the push pins that you got with this net, and just peel the screen away from the sticky velcro and nail the pins, and then reattach the screen to the velcro frame. So I am not using the pins here because it's already really strong without the net, but for you, if you want, you can actually do that. I am just adjusting the weight that's provided at the bottom, so that you can adjust the closing speed of the net. This is optional, most probably you don't have to do it, but I'm just making sure the weights are properly distributed. Now that's done, I'll show you the how it actually works, at how it actually automatically closes when we actually open it. So if you like the product, there is a link in the description. I'm gonna show. Then as you can see, it closes automatically without we doing anything. Just even if we go out, the door will automatically close. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.